In this episode, we're painting more black. Well, as you can see, Derek's painted all the hood. We got the front emblem on, that piece on. And we're just painting the inside because we did paint it once before, but then priming it and painting the green, it got oversprayed, so now we're just detailing it. And we even got a brand new rubber bumper there. We still got to put
just a bumper?
bumpers on the side. Just a bumper right now. And we just got to do some touch-up green along here that we didn't get. It's not shiny, so we'll just touch up that. Just little details.
Oh, hey, Chris, right here too.
And right there.
And probably right there too.
But on this, that'll be this boring episode of Penny's Hot Rods and Customs. Watching paint dry.
Yeah. Kevin's actually doing work.
Someone's got to do the work around here.
Yeah, Kevin
That's Captain Kevin.
got new tires, painted used rims. And I think he even got a battery for his birthday.
I shit the bed on that one.
And ask how old Kevin is today, or now?
Old as fuck. Oh, there you are. I thought you were going to be over there. Old
Yes.
Gray Bush Kevin.
He's old gray bush Kevin.
Alright, we'll be back. Let's mix up some green paint, I guess. And...
Yeah, we gotta mix up the green.
Alright.
So we just finished, Derek just finished polishing these, and then we snapped them on with the original clips. So they went on fairly good. And we just got to get Kevin and Derek to polish up the other side. And then we'll, yeah, they're in very good shape, this one, so that Kevin acquired somewhere.
From Tim's truck.
From the original hood. From our parts truck. But Derek's going to polish this up, and then we'll show you actually putting this side on. How the spring clips go. We'll polish, or I'll film you polishing.
Sure.
And for those viewers with smell-o-vision, watch out for Kevin.
It's bad. Hey, it's a wolf. Gotta breathe.
There's the polishing compote. And it doesn't take much. Okay, see the difference. We'll get him to polish the rest of it and the other two pieces, and then we'll put it on this hood. Checking your stocks?
Yeah, there's none in there. Well, I'm actually just texting Kenny from down the street.
Yeah. Do you have anything to say to Raymond on this episode?
Howdy.
That's it. Pretty pathetic.
Okay. Talk about those things for start.
Yeah, Derek's polished up one. Looks pretty good. Man, you stink.
What a success.
No shit. God, you stink.
That's Dairy Queen.
He's got to sit here and take one for the team. Good thing you don't got smell-o-vision. It smells like king sewage. Yeah, it actually turned out pretty good. So, it's getting there. Oh! Man.
Not that bad.
And we got the glove box door on.
Yeah, well, the ashtray's at my place. High five.
Leave me alone.
I got better things to do than hang out with you clowns.
Hey, there's our underneath. Corey was just doing some last minute touch up paint.
It's a shitty job, but somebody got to do it.
And just while we have we're painting we finished painting the hood, but touching up parts on the hood. We're just touching little scratches here and there. There was a few scratches on here we just touched up. Painted those. Touched up along this little edge that we didn't get quite when we were spraying, but that looks...
And we shit the bed, we didn't film it.
Yeah, Corey dropped the bomb.
Like always. It's out of my pants.
But sometime this week, the hood will be going on.
Sometime this week, won't be today. It's snowing right now. Depressing. Much like our lives. Not days of our lives, but our lives.
Shut up.
Film him, he's actually doing something.
I'm the captain.
No wonder the ship's
Captain
sinking.
of smell.
No wonder the ship's sinking. Alright, we'll be back in a minute.
Hey, we right now the hood's just sitting on there. It's sitting on blankets. We're getting ready to actually bolt it on. We showed you with the chrome on, so we just got to lift it off. That's why we got all our idiots here. And
There's the big idiot right there behind the seat.
Kate, Chris is captain idiot.
Head engineer of the stupid train.
Choo choo.
yeah, we don't want to chip anything, so we got all our people here. So
Yeah, and hey, we even did this today. It's got a lock. It's all locked in, all done, and actually works. Key goes in nicely. So
thanks to Noble Locksmith in Winnipeg, they made a key for it. We didn't have one.
Very expensive key.
Yeah, but it was seized. They unseized it and made a key for it.
All right, I guess let's try to launch this hood. You like that, eh? Head engineer of the stupid train. Good thing with it. Choo choo. All right.
Chris, I'm offended. Where can we pick up? Just in the slots? Or
Sure.
we're going to go straight up or?
Yep.
Okay. It's 7:15, but it's the paint.
Oh yeah, we painted over the.
What kind of pizza are you gonna have first?
You didn't bring any money, so you haven't done.
Sausage. Oh, redneck. Sausage.
As long as it's better than Taco Bell.
We're gonna have
Taco Bell sucks, by the way.
Why is Taco Bell
I
not
had
that good?
sucks. Chicken is greasy. The tacos have water in them. And my root beer, or whatever it was,
That was iced tea last night.
no, the root beer on
Oh.
the thing, you pushed it, it was water.
So what you're
Iced
saying
tea
is Taco
tastes
Bell
like
wasn't very
water,
good?
But with, it's basically American iced tea.
So any question, what would you rate it out of 10?
3.5.
3.5, that's pretty low.
And I'm being nice.
Hey, you wanna go up? Hey, I'm going up. How much?
Keep going. Okay, come down. Sit.
Oh.
Go. I don't know which way.
You're almost there, Derek. There you go.
Was that for the
Those are
pins,
just
or-
the cotter pin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was that what you just did? or-
Yeah.
Do you have them?
No,
There could be a washer and a carpet bin. You wanna go up higher?
yeah.
Or Ken might have to lift this corner.
Taco
You
Bell,
tell me. Again, I got my hand here just for.
it sucks, by the way.
Yeah, bring your end toward me.
He knocks on the door.
That's what I still need to do.
Oh, it's in.
Need me to lift up or anything, Chris? Or?
No. Yeah. It's just the cotter pin's just bent slightly.
Hey, should I try to let it sleep by itself?
Big. Yeah. Stays up.
Yeah.
Okay, that's one
Well,
good thing.
alignment.
You're seeing it lag here.
Is it good? Is this better
Yeah,
than
we don't
Taco?
have the latch in yet.
This is even better
Take
than
a-
Taco Bell.
Look at the back.
And this, I don't know.
Yeah, you gotta go
Okay,
down.
nothing's touching yet, Chris. Yeah, Chris is touching the bump stop on this side here now. It's started to almost.
Okay, hood is on. It's the next day. Yeah, the hood fits quite nicely. The gap around the window is, I would say, very nice, close to perfect. The gap here is nice. That's all nice. The hinges aren't brand new. They're the used hinges. We just fixed them up, but. Hood opens up, stays open up. We had a little bit of an issue, not with the hood hinges. They miraculously actually worked better than we expected, but with the lock and the pin. This panel here was not by us, but it was taken out, and they're normally screwed in. This one we found out was brazed in, so either it rattled out, fell out, damaged, who knows, but sometime in its past it got brazed in, and they probably didn't braze it in correctly. So this was, the pin was over too much. It was always hitting here. So we had to, there wasn't any side to side adjustment of the latch mechanism. So what we ended up having to do is drill out there's a stud up here, a welded in stud. We drilled that out, drilled sideways, and just to move this over, and that lined that up a lot better. It's still in the center, so yeah, it must be this panel was put in differently, and plus we're dealing with a hood that didn't belong to this truck, so that's a combination of that too. But yeah, it works good. Looks good. One more major piece to the puzzle, and well, the running board's gone this side, but we're almost done the running board. We're just doing some fitting and some sanding, but that's going to be done. So yeah, another and new tire, new rim, or used rim. So there's only a small, probably less than 5 things that left to do on this thing, and then it's on the road. Kevin's gonna try and get take it in for safety quite soon. So in Canada we have to get everything safety before we register it, so that'll be getting done the next 2 to 3 weeks probably. But yeah, in another week it should be done and basically out the door. So thanks for watching. If you like this, please comment, and we'll and subscribe, obviously, tell your friends and everything. And we'll probably be doing a video of driving this around once we get it safetied. We'll go for a cruise, and Kevin can drive it for his first time. So thanks for watching.